first of all, burning eyes and the wish to achieve, to perform, to run ahead. Not go ahead, but really run ahead. And in achieving that, it is so important, again, to empower each and every team member. Because each time when we're empowered, we will have that stamina and wish to achieve what we are trying to do and to grow together along the way. So I know that many aspiring leaders or many new leaders try to learn leadership from reading leadership books. And there are so many of them, and they're probably relatively okay and good. But the thing with them is that, well, it's not really where you learn the leadership from. It's probably a good start, but definitely not the silver bullet. So what you actually want to do, you want to learn from your environment, from the people that you work with, from any other books, by the way, except from leadership books that give all sorts of examples from history, from any other facets of life that you will find leadership traits in. Probably creating the sense of belonging with our teams, because obviously we started working remotely and that happened very suddenly, and making sure that everyone feels involved and feels still part of the team was a real challenge, especially at times when we couldn't actually come together in the office or elsewhere and bond together. So this was really the major challenge. Lately, I learned to sew for myself. And I actually started making clothes for myself to the point that I almost stopped buying clothes. So it's probably my recent and rather active way of spending my free time. I was very much interested in astronomy and astrophysics. And at some point I figured that it should probably be fun to be an astronomer. But then somehow I reassessed this dream and figured that it is rather, how should I put it, exceptional profession, and well, probably brought myself back on Earth. I loved it in New Zealand, so I'd love to go back there, or Norway, or Iceland, these type of places. Mountains, volcanoes, a bit of northern lights maybe, something of the kind.